Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Is your Instagram account locked and you cannot log in? Do not worry, I will show you how to recover it step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. On the login screen, tap on Forgot Password. Now enter the email, username, or phone number linked to your account. Tap on Next to continue. Instagram will show recovery options. You can choose to receive a code via email or SMS. Check your email or messages for the verification code. Enter the code in Instagram to verify your identity. If you do not receive a code, tap on Try Another Way. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If your account was locked due to suspicious activity, Instagram may ask you to confirm your identity. This can include sending a photo of yourself or verifying account details. Follow all instructions provided by Instagram carefully. Once verified, you will be able to reset your password. Create a strong new password that you have not used before. After that, you can log into your account again. Always enable two-factor authentication to protect your account in the future. This prevents your account from getting locked again. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more account recovery and app fix guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.